Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Nubia Z60 Ultra. Begin by accessing Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's screens and select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nubia. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Hit Got It and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and tap on Receive button. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!